In this video, we'll see how to make sunflower potatoes in Desi style. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using 2 potatoes, 2 medium-sized potatoes. If you want, you can remove the skin, but I'm using the potatoes with the skin. Slice the potatoes using a good quality knife. Do not use slicer because with slicer you would get very thin slices and we don't want that. Immediately transfer the potatoes into water. Wash them really well, discard the water. Now I'm going to discard this water. If you look at the potatoes, these are of medium thickness, these aren't very thin, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Keep these aside and break 1 egg in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon green chili paste, or you can adjust according to your taste. Add a little salt. Be careful while adding salt, do not add a lot. Give this a good whisk or mix and keep it aside. Put some oil in a non-stick pan, or you can use a good seasoned cast iron pan as well for this recipe. And lay the potato slices the way I'm doing, overlapping each other. Keep the flame between low to medium at this time. Sprinkle some salt, otherwise these potatoes would not taste good. A little more oil, and then cover this and lower the flame and let it cook till you see that the potatoes have softened. And then pour in the egg mixture. And then break 1 egg in the center. Little more salt only for this egg which we just added. Now cover and let it cook till you see that the egg has fully cooked. You can see there is a browning around the edges. Put some crushed black pepper. Processed cheese, so I'm grating processed cheese. I'm using almost half, a little more than half, but you can use 1 entire cube of cheese if you want. And then sprinkle some chili flakes or red chili powder. Cover for a few seconds or till the cheese melts. If you do not get browning around the edges, then you can increase the flame for some time. Transfer it to a plate. You can serve it right away like this, or you can flip it over like this. Look at the beautiful caramelized potatoes. Sprinkle some fresh coriander. I'll just cut it open and show you. You can see yolk in the center. It tastes really delicious. You can serve it with ketchup, or you can just have it like that in your breakfast or whenever you would like to have it. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.